Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 6, that is evaluate number 1 and number 2. Question number 1 and 2. Let us solve question number 1. Here you see question number 1 is this is question number 1, that is in second bracket 1 by 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 in second bracket close minus 1. Therefore we know that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. We'll apply this formula here. Then we are getting 3 by 1 to the power 1 minus 4 by 1 to the power 1. In the second bracket, the power is minus 1. That means we are getting 3 minus 4 to the power minus 1. So we are getting 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power minus 1. Or we are getting 1 by minus 1 to the power 1. Right? Therefore we are getting 1 by minus 1, and that is equal to minus 1. Therefore the answer is minus 1 of question number 1. We will solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is 5 by 8 to the power minus 7 into 8 by 5 to the power minus 4 is equal to 5 to the power minus 7 by 8 to the power minus 7 into 8 to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 4. Right? Here we have applied the formula, that is a by b to the power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. We applied this formula here, right? Now we'll find that 5 to the power minus 7 divided by 5 to the power minus 4 into 8 to the power minus 4 divided by 8 to the power minus 7. Here we will apply the formula, that is a to the power m, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Right? We'll apply this formula here, that is 5 to the power minus 7 minus of minus 4 into 8 to the power minus 4 minus of minus 7. Therefore, we are getting 5 to the power minus 7. Minus into minus is plus 4 into 8 to the power minus 4. Minus into minus plus 7. Therefore, we are getting 5 to the power minus 3 into 8 to the power 3. 8 to the power 3. Therefore, we are getting 8 to the power 3 by 5 to the power 3 to the power 3. Therefore, we are getting 8 into 8 into 8, and 5 to the 3 is 5 into 5 into 5, right? Therefore, we are getting 5 into 5 into 5. 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. 125. And 8 is 64. 64 multiplied by 8, that is 4 is 32. 3, it is 2. 6 is 48. 51. 512. That is 512 by 125. It is 512 by 125. That is the answer, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.